I'm Kirsten from the Instrument Cluster Store, and I'm here today to talk to you about locating your part number on your instrument cluster. Part numbers are located in different spots depending upon the make and model of your vehicle, but they're always on a small white label. I have an example of a Ford. On this Ford cluster, you'll find the part number on the side on a small white label in small print. The next example we pulled is a Dodge Charger, and you'll find the part number located on the back. And last, here's a Chevy Silverado, the label on the front. Sometimes part numbers can be located on the small white label, but they're on the front of the cluster. If you can't locate your part number, or if you find it faded, you can always call a dealership and give them their VIN and they can provide you with the part number. Remember, we're always here to help at 1-800-590-2716 or visit us online anytime at instrumentclusterstore.com.